Hey there. Today, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how to use the conditional logic feature in the Product Options and Customizer app. If you want to create a truly unique and customized experience for your customers, this feature is definitely worth checking out. To get started, you'll need a product with 2 or more options assigned. For our example, we'll be using the HP product. Once you've selected it, click on the Conditional Logic tab in the Product Options and Customizer app. Before we get into creating the rules, it's a good idea to see how the options will look in your store. You can do that by clicking on View in Store. Now let's say you want to add a new option that only appears when a certain checkbox is selected. In our case, we want to add an Upload Image option that should only appear when a customer selects the Add a Sticker checkbox. To make that happen, we need to create a rule in the app. Creating the rule is easy. Simply specify the condition. In our example, Add a Sticker checkbox is selected. And if that condition is met, the Vinyl Sticker option, which allows customers to upload an image file, should be shown. Once you're happy with the rule settings, make sure to save them. The app will then apply those rules to your store, and this may take a moment or two. Finally, it's time to see the conditional logic in action. Go to your store and check out the HP product. When you select the Add a Sticker checkbox, the Upload Image option should appear. It's a great way to offer a customized experience for your customers and give them more options to choose from. That's it. You now know how to add conditional logic to your store using the Product Options and Customizer app. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need support in setting it up in your store. We're always happy to help.